Whew, this is fun. Oh yeah, this is so cool. I can't wait. Hey, Golden Freddy, you can't play video games until you do your homework. Okay, I did my homework and this is not, and I'm not playing video games. Well, explain why there's a remote control to an Xbox. Nerd, silly nerd. What'd you just call me? This is not an Xbox controller. This is a fidget called an SMR pod.
No, it's not. A fidget pad.
What? Oops, not that. It's a fidget pad. What's a fidget pad? Are you blind? Excuse me? No, really. Are you deaf right now? You do not know about these? No. Stop, jeez. That's rude. Oops, sorry. What? A fidget pad? Simply to reduce stress. Oh, that's pretty cool. There's different kinds. One that's flexible, stretchy, and satisfying.
And bouncy.
Yep, and bouncy. Huh. And that can spin. Oh, cool. Yeah, they're pretty cool. Yeah, Circus Baby, what is all of this?
You don't know? Aren't you blind?
That's what I said.
I know, right? These are the newest things out right now. Poppets.
Guys, I am literally
Water timer.
I am 35 years old. You really think I would know this stuff?
Yes.
I can't just look up on the internet and see it.
Okay.
I don't like devices.
Okay, well, whatever. Then I also have this,
What?
I forgot what it's called. Wacky Track. Yeah, Wacky Track.
Yeah, Wacky Track.
And
okay.
Then, hey, I'm not finished. Smack.
Ow.
Oh, and then I have this awesome bike chain. And then this tingle, and then a balloon.
Huh. You want to see mine?
Yeah, right. You don't have any fidgets, huh?
Really? I'm going to show you mine. First, I have an SMR pod.
That's so rare!
Then I have a soccer fidget.
Cool.
Then I have a Wacky Track, I think.
Yeah.
And then I have a homemade bike chain.
How'd you make that?
It was easy. And it helped me. I thought you were making a bracelet. I'm not a girl. Yeah. I'm pretty sure you are. Shut up. No, you're a girl. Shut up. Shut up. You're a girl. You're a girl. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. You're a girl. Shut up.
You both shut up. If you both shut up,
You really want to talk to me like that,
I'm
baby?
trying to meditate here.
You really want to talk to me like that, baby?
Shut up, or else I'm gonna beat the crap out of you.
Gee, sorry.
Okay. Being a girl doesn't mean you have to shut up. Right?
Yeah, it doesn't.
I have to make sure you know that. Because the world is against women. Yeah. So if you ever hear that, if anybody treats you worse, or you just stand up for yourself. And, okay.
You taught me.
Alright, I just want to make sure.
Can we have a bubbly? Or like seltzer? James, come on, let's get seltzer.
Oh, okay. I'll be right back, Andrew.
I don't know if there's two or not.
Just please leave me alone. No, I'm gonna go and get a snack, and then we can play with fidgets.
Yeah, come on.
Oh! Well, let's just go. He's not gonna do it.
Yeah, and don't call me.
Well, you are cute. Oh.
No, baby, you guys have to share it.
Oh, a bubbly. What's a bubbly?
This. We'll have
Seltzer?
to. Well, I'll split it for us, okay? Because there's only one.
Actually, get night drinks too.
Okay, can that be our?
Drinks.
No. Share this and get night drinks.
I said, can it be our? Okay.
Dang, this is really dark. Okay.
We have special cups. What look like wine glasses, sort of, but they're for kids.
Oh, that's weird.
Yeah. We'll have to split it.
Bubbly.
I want to make sure they're even.
Whew. Is that good?
Here, I need to go on this side.
Okay. Let's go.
Let's just.
Okay. I'm going in the room. Where's my bubble beer?
No, I am not cuckoo. The baby flew
Got some
away.
bubbly beer.
Yes, yes, I
Some
want cheese on my
bubbly
chili
beer.
biscuits.
Let's try this.
I love it. It's so
What
good.
did that
Okay.
phone say?
Nothing. They just kept sending me.
Are you, if you're scared, I'll try it. Want me to?
Dad, what did you find out?
The tub of chicken charges extra for cheese on chili biscuits. No extra.
Well, I can't wait for that. I'm just going to finish my big bowl of soup.
Hey guys, should we go play some more Fidgets?
The baby's mother.
You can. I'm gonna keep drinking
She's going to ask about her baby.
this.
Come
You
on.
talk to her.
Don't you want
Talking to that
to?
woman.
Nana, you're the
1 minute.
I am not the person that sent that baby up and away in the USB flapperdoodle.
Jeez, Nona, that's not how real people talk. Gosh, yeah, that. Good.
That was close.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh, I know what to do.
Let's go down. Yay!
Wait, I'm still drinking it.
Oh, well, anyway, how did you think? Well, I was playing with them and they're pretty cool. I kind of like them. The wacky track is the best. See, I knew Anthony would love these. Yeah, because I do.
Yeah, and I don't know how you don't know what fidgets are.
Well, it's because I never knew they came out.
And because you're old.
Rude. Hey, guys. Oh, God. Can I have one?
No, Carl. No. It's nighttime.
Can I have some?
Hey, get your slobber away.
Holy snapple-doodle. Oh my god.
Baby bee.
Well, see you guys later. Bye. And make sure to subscribe to Spice Foxy.
And comment. And share.
So yeah, bye.
Oh, don't forget the bell thing. Yes.